A smart toilet. Yes, I said it. In 2026, I'm doing a video about a smart toilet. When I first got the pitch, I kind of laughed, like, why does a toilet need to be smart? Does it send you notifications? Does it have Spotify? Like, what is happening right now? But then I sat down on it and everything changed. I know it sounds ridiculous, but after using it for a few weeks, I kind of don't want to go back to a normal toilet. Okay, so real talk, this isn't my first time dealing with a bidet. Many years ago, I traveled out of the country and my hotel room had one, and I was nervous, like, I don't know what this thing does. I don't even know if I trust it. I don't know what setting I'm supposed to use, but I had so much courage and I tried it anyway. And I'm not exaggerating when I say my cheeks have never felt the same. That experience made me realize how much better a bathroom routine could actually be. So the real problem is that most bidets are just a separate fixture sitting next to the toilet, looking awkward. It looks like someone just bolted it onto your toilet, like it's an afterthought. But this HOROW X70 is the first fully integrated smart toilet that actually brings that experience home, and it looks good doing it. So this is the HOROW X70, and the first thing you notice is that this looks different. It's a unified piece. It's sleek, it's clean, no separate attachments, all integrated. There's no extra hoses hanging off to the side. It looks like it belongs in a tech showroom or a high-end hotel, not just sitting in your bathroom. And for me, that matters. If I'm dropping money on something, it better look the part.